Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Hi creatives, ready to showcase your work with an online portfolio? In this tutorial we will show you how to create a stunning portfolio using GoDaddy website builder. Follow along to learn how to add projects, customize your layouts, and impress potential clients or employers. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, in this video we'll understand the basics of the basic of creating a website with GoDaddy and then creating a portfolio within that website. So first of all guys, we've done plenty of videos about creating websites with GoDaddy, so it's pretty simple. I'm gonna just do a quick 30-second recap. So you have two methods. The first method, which is pretty much simple and very cheap, or pretty much free. Click on websites builder, and here you will find it starts for free, so you can really have a free website, no credit card required, so you can create a website with GoDaddy for free without any problems. But of course it is limited a lot, so you need to get the premium plan in case you would like to have the option to create pages, book recurring appointments, online payments, etc. So you have to get the premium plans in case you would like to have any of these features. But if you don't really care, if you only want these things, then or like to only edit and add, drop and drag images, text, etc., then you can go simply with this one. So here let's start by going to the actual second method, which is basically by searching for domain names. So search for domain names, and as you can see here, I will simply click on searching for domain, search here for any domain that you want and buy a domain name. After you buy a domain name, you will be able to go and link a website with it for free. So let me show you real quick. Click on your account, go to your dashboard and click on my products. After that you will find all products and services that you have bought from GoDaddy and that you own at the moment. As you can see here, I have plenty of them, so I'm going to close that. Here I'm going to click on my domain, click on manage, and after that I will be going to this website or this dashboard basically. So here click on websites which are in the left side of the menu, and then as you can see, click on edit websites. Now for portfolio, and basically we need to look for portfolios and what do they have to own in the, like, what do we have to get in our website to cause a good portfolio basically. So websites, here I'm going to search for examples. So here we have a lot of examples that actually showcases a lot of different portfolios. Of course there is some of them that are very crazy, but for us we need to keep it as simple as possible. This one looks pretty cool. Alright, let's click on it, and this is the one. Alright, it looks good. Yeah, it's very good. This is really very clean. Of course, when we are going to make our portfolio, it's not going to be even comparable to this one. This one is very clean. Look, this is awesome guys. This is very clean. You cannot do something like that with like GoDaddy, even WordPress. You have to really like develop everything in this step by step, and it will really take a lot of time for you to actually create such things. So here I'm going to just take the most important things that basically we need: home, about, work, contact, sound on, off. Alright, here we need the name, we need some informations about us, so a picture, about me, so about me, a picture, and basically some informations, years of experience, of course, what do you do exactly, SEO optimization, UX design, web and mobile development. So this is very clean. Selected and work. So here this portfolio, another portfolio. Right, let's check it out. Oh nice, this is very nice. So this is supposed to be another portfolio 2.0. Right, so wow, this is amazing. Yeah, this is very amazing. But as we said, we're not going to do something as crazy as that. We're going to keep it very, very simple. You might even get bored since we saw this very clean portfolio. You will really, really, really get very bored after you saw this design. So now in this video, we are going to start by making our portfolio. So let's start by creating about me section. So there we go, just click on add a new section and then search for about me. So about me is gonna be normally in the contact us normally. If it wasn't something that really fits you, you can search for about me in here. Yeah, this is something that we might choose. Okay, we can add this one. This one looks similar to what we are looking for, since he had the same idea somehow. Let me just go here in the top. Let me go to the main page. Yeah, here it is. So he has a picture and the text next to it. So there we go. Here we have the picture, so we can replace it easily by changing the image. Click on change image button and you will be able to change the image to whatever you want. So this is something that you could do as well. Here you have my philosophy, so you can here add your text, who are you, your experience and your services and what you do exactly. So this is something that you would always want to do, is to have a picture of you representing you, because people would like to see who you are. And basically taking a look at you can give them a very, very good first impression about you. So make sure to always have a good picture, professional, smiling, giving a vibe, or a familiar vibe, or like friends vibe, friendly vibe as I mean. And try to not really take everything seriously. For example, this guy, as you can see, he's taking a smile. Look at him smiling, even like he's wearing like a suit but still smiling. The vibe, you can feel the vibe in his work. Everything is clean, so try to have the same idea with it. Here I like the design of everything in here actually. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So basically we cannot copy all of that in our portfolio, but what we need to have is the basics of the basics. So here we have to own the about us page. Here, instead of my blog, you can change it and add my projects. So instead of having blogs, put them as projects and put here your project. We made a whole video about how to create blog, so make sure to check it out after you finish with this video. So you can simply just create a new blog and simply just do not make it as it is a blog, but make it as you were explaining your project, how you worked it out, how you managed it, pictures of it, the process of creating it, how long it takes you, and basically just explain stuff about your project as this guy did in here. So these portfolios are one of the best in the market. So when we're talking about these ones, well, you always know that this is what you have to go for. Here you have a lot of ideas, a lot of things to actually choose from, and this is a very, very good inspiration, guys, for us to actually upgrade our portfolios to make them look better, so we can get more clients in the future. And yeah, guys, this is how you can basically make your portfolio in GoDaddy. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next tutorial.